But what I know is that God has given us wonderful children. You are very intelligent, and you are the drivers of the economy of this country. This country is waiting for you, and you must learn, focus, and make sure that you come out with your degrees, your masters, and PhDs. And we want you to be the ones who are going to drive the economy of this country. Why we are where we are is because we have made an error, and I'm always owning it to you, that we have not parented you well. That one I agree. Many of you, when you look at your parents, we make too much noise, right? And we misjudge you all the time. The issue is that as much as we misjudge you, you must understand you are living in another dispensation. The kind of challenges that you are facing are not the same one. The technological advancement you are in is different. And I know that we are changing this environment, and the climate change is going to, an action shall be seen by this greening of the university. Our Vice Chancellor, I know that this action that you are taking to green the country or to green your environment, it's a future. And when I look in front of me, I see the future. Nyinyi, you are the future. Ndio kesho yetu. And when you are taking care of the future, I am very glad as a mother, because I know your children will live in a good environment. Your children will not come and find this flooding. And you see, sometimes when we talk about climate change, you think it's not a reality. But right now, look at what is happening even in the desert like Dubai. There are floods and people are suffering. You go to Northeastern, we have a lot of rain, excessive rain. And I think if we can be able to mitigate for climate change, the action that you are taking today by planting trees, I want just to thank each and every one of you. We appreciate you and we love you for what you are doing.
Mimi kama nyinyi. So maisha ni kuchikasa. Maisha ni kuchikakamua. Hata kama mnafikiria first lady yako na something, lakini bado natafuta hiyo kitu. Sichatosheka. So kama mimi natafuta, mbona wewe usitafute? Mbona uende university uende upotee? Labda culture sisi sasa na nyinyi wengine mnafikiria kwa nini Her Excellency anaongelelea boy child? Mnafikiria mumeachwa nje, amuchaachwa? Mnajua ni kwa nini? Tunatengenezewa ground the other side. So tuko sawa.
Within your leadership as a university, waja management yenu tu kama wanafunzi, how are you taking care of the welfare of your friend? I know kuna pressure mingi, and we have had instances where students have committed suicide. So what are you doing? Are you taking, because sometimes wengine wanakuja hakuna pesa, hakuna school fees, chakula pia hakuna kule nyumbani. So you carry all that, though you are a student, uko na pressure mingi. And that is why I'm saying we must have a very strong social support, starting with ourselves. So that we don't have anyone dropping out of the system, or even thinking that the next world will be a better place to be. Of course, it will be a better place based on how you prepare yourself here.
that we are leaving a historical legacy in Bomet, not only the university, the nation, and part of the global family. First, I would like to go to 2019, we only had 348 students, which means that we were not even in university standard because you need 400,000 students. So we are the main stakeholder, I should say, in Bomet, and we are actually impacting the community, the business community. The excellence will come back, then we will go, and we also planned in our Sigor campus, we have planted and we did that. Muraja is the Dean School of Arts. Priscilla, she's in charge of...
Wana uende university, uende upotee. We are safe. So tunawatakia mazuri, tutawatembelea na
excessive rain. And I think if we can be able to mitigate for climate change,
amani, tutimize na malengo yetu.